Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing this assignment, a collection of your favorite sounds. You basically pick 4 to 5 sounds that you enjoy hearing and you put them all together, you mash them up and you share it on SoundCloud. I don't know how this is gonna go. I got all my sounds from Freesound like I have been. But yeah, we're going to be using Audacity today, and we're just gonna see how it turns out. So we're going to import my sounds. See if we can find them in my okay. There's one. That's a fire crackling. I believe this is another one. No, not the car honk. There's a beach. Meadow, fire, and the Tibetan singing bowl thing. Okay, now that I all put them into one another, that's nice. Okay, stop. Okay, so I'm gonna show you each sound one by one from what I have, and then we'll play it again from the beginning. Okay, so this first sound is crickets and kind of just the bugs at night. I live in the woods, so we hear that a lot. Frogs croaking, I guess you would call it, and the crickets chirping and all of that. So there's that sound. And then my next sound is this one, is the ocean. Very relaxing. Who doesn't think the ocean is relaxing, really? So there's that one. Let me mute that. And then unmute this one. This one I like. This one's a it's a Tibetan bowl that you hit, and then you with a little rock mallet type thing, and you rub the mallet around the rim of the bowl, and it makes this really relaxing ding sound. So I chose that one. Then we'll mute that, and we'll come up to this one and unmute it, and this one is a crackling fire, and I chose that one because my family goes camping a lot, and I've grown up in the outdoors, and camping is one of our ways to relax and get out and go to the beach and just go camping and have a bonfire. So yeah, so we'll unmute all the sounds and we'll play it again. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to sound that good, but I think it sounds okay. Just sounds like you're kind of out in nature. So we'll play it all together. I really do enjoy the really slight low ding of the Tibetan bowl. But that's all for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helped if anybody was having trouble with this assignment. Thanks for watching. Bye.